Hey log lovers, Mike here with Frontier Log and Timber Homes. We're in our fourth day now of building this little cabin. I should say not so little, but around 1,600 square feet. And today we were able to set some logs. And so over the last 4 days we've been taking our lumber or log package and putting those on the little Oscar mill, little lumber mill that we use to put the flat cuts on these logs. We do the flat cuts because that's a connection point where we have, other framing components that build up to that log. So that flat surface gives us a good nailing connection and so forth. This is all lodgepole pine, dried, naturally dead standing, I should say. Really nice tight grain pattern on those. Good quality logs with a nice draw knife finish, I should add. So anyway, we've got about another day or so of milling and setting some logs. This is for a log hybrid home, which is a combination of logs and conventional framing, which I like doing out here in Western Washington because, the maintenance issues with full log can be somewhat problematic, and the hybrid offers a good opportunity or a good method to build something and not have those maintenance issues per se. There's a good look at those other logs there. And our site is right next to a beautiful little creek. So, pretty nice job site. And we had a lot of rain here over the last 5 days. The river's gone down quite a bit. So we're looking up. I think we're gonna have some sunshine coming up next week, which is something we're really looking forward to around here. Now we'll get a little closer look at the progress we've made. It's a 1,600 square foot log and panel home. There'll be a big gable end on the front of this thing with a lot of log purlins sticking out, features, lots of open glass, and 2x6 wall construction. Let's see if we can't get up in here without crashing. Okay, here we go. So on the inside, on this particular house, we'll be doing sheetrock walls with some pine wainscoting, that type of thing. And then on top of these loft beams, we'll actually build that up with 2x6 floor joists to give you that ceiling cavity that's so nice to have when you're running wiring and can lights and that type of thing. Now we got some minor adjustments to make, but it all fit very well. Real happy with our progress today. So it's coming right along. Every time we have an interior wall that butts up to a log, we do this flat cut here. That flat cut, again, allows a nice square edge for the framing to nail to, and then also for your interior finish, wallboard or pine or whatever, to finish up nice and square to a flat edge. So here we have we're gonna have a stairwell going in here. It's kind of hard to see what all in all the plan is, but as we make progress and I do additional videos, we'll get a nice look as things move along. And these folks are going to have a great little view looking out their window. Very nice location for sure. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.